This presentation is on using project control to estimate the duration of a project. The purpose of using project control methods is to monitor the project's progression and to see if it is on track with the original plan. It can help answer the question, are we on schedule with the project plan? Also, depending on the current progress of the project, applying project control can help assess the project risks. Further, if risks are identified, project managers can take action to address these risks before they turn into serious issues. Here is a list of all the project tasks and subtasks. Circled in green, the project is set to start on January 1st. The predecessors column shows which task must be completed before that particular task can begin. Of particular interest is the predecessors listed with the space programming. Circled in yellow, the predecessor reads 5FF. The FF means finishes with, so this task finishes with task 5, the master facility plan. We will use PERT to find the estimated duration of the project. Here I have filled in the relevant pessimistic, expected, and optimistic durations for each task from the provided data sheet. Using the PERT analysis function on Microsoft Project, the following PERT calculations were found. All of the durations were rounded up to the nearest full day to find the durations that will be used for the project analysis. Thus, circled in green, the PERT duration, which is the planned duration for the project, is 862 days. After we saved the baseline, we entered the actual duration by looking at the tracking view of PERT. Here is the tracking information for the project. Each task is listed with its duration. Check marks appear to the left of the tasks that are 100% completed. In the graph, the blue line shows the actual activity, the gray line shows the baseline planned activity, and the red line shows the critical activities to be completed. The graph indicates that we are finishing tasks faster and thereby doing better than we had planned. Also, circled in green is the projected duration of the project based on performance thus far, which is 783 days. Here is a focused view of the same Gantt chart, but just looking at the activities that have been completed to date. Circled in green, the strategic plan phase and the master facility were completed ahead of schedule, as the blue line indicating the actual activity duration is shorter than the gray line indicating the planned baseline duration in both cases. Circled in purple, the actual duration of team formation took longer than the baseline duration, since the blue line covers a greater length than the corresponding gray length. The anticipated delay in the end of the project is calculated by subtracting the PERT length of the project from the projected duration of the project based on performance thus far. Plugging in these two values that we have previously calculated, we find that the anticipated delay is negative 79 days. Since we are completing tasks ahead of schedule, there is no delay in the project end, hence the negative answer. Using project control to monitor progress can help see if the initial estimates of project duration, or even costs, were accurate. Also, project control methods can highlight areas that might need adjustments. If the expected duration is found to be longer than planned, the project manager might need to ask for an extension from an authority. Overall, project control helps project managers stay on track with the project. I hope you found this presentation helpful.